Kalaupapa traffic, Skyhawk 121, turning final, runway 23, touch and go, Kalaupapa.
He might just be departing. Nope, pattern, I got him inside again.
Too.
I lost him through that turn for a second.
So it's on the right down 123, still looking for you.
We've got you inside 121.
Okay, gotcha.
Practicing those short fields, right?
I've only done one of those.
Deep approach. Minimum ground roll. It's actually, oh man, that's pretty cool. I just realized it's the first time I ever landed on this runway. Nice.
Floated a little more than I would have liked to, but that's all right.
Well, I mean, it was a high approach too, so for coming in a little steeper, that was pretty solid.
My instructor would be proud.
And 802 Whiskey, we're turning right base, runway 23.